How to log out of your Edits and Instagram app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. You will see all of your projects over here. Now, in order to log out of your Edits account, you need to go to the profile settings. Here in this home screen, at the top right corner, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. After you're in this profile page, at the bottom you can see the logout option. You can easily log out of your account by tapping on it. It will ask you for your confirmation if you really want to log out of your Edits account. If you are sure, you can select this logout option, tap on it, and there you go. You're successfully logged out of your account in Edits app. If you want to re-log in, you can continue with your Instagram. Or if you want to use a different Instagram account, you can tap on the switch accounts button at the bottom. From here, you can log into the different accounts too. So that's it. That's how you can easily log out of your account in Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.